Hey guys, here are the base camera settings in Battlefield 6 if you want a clearer view and a competitive edge. Start on the home screen and open settings. Move over to graphics. For your field of view, increase it so you can see more of your surroundings. Around 100 works well for most players, but you can push it up to 120 if you prefer a wider view. Just remember that higher field of view can slightly affect performance. For vehicle third person FOV, set this to the maximum so you get a wider look around your vehicle. Next, go to weapon field of view and set it to wide. This makes your weapon appear smaller and gives you more space on the screen to spot enemies. Turn weapon motion blur all the way off and do the same for world motion blur. Set camera shake amount to the lowest values as well. These changes help keep your vision clean during explosions and heavy action. Enable reduce sprint camera bobbing to steady the camera while running. And finally turn off chromatic aberration, vignette and film grain. They add style but can make it harder to see enemies clearly. And yeah, that's all you need to do for cleanest and most competitive setup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.